Hi guys, Jim Kane here. I was just on Facebook checking the Pathfinder Learning Center, and somebody asked a question that they heard that somebody can go outside in a snowstorm with just a t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, and a trash bag, and be, I don't know, comfortable. I forget the details of the theory, so I've never heard of it. And right now we have a snowstorm in New England. It's 16 degrees, but with the wind chill it's 9 degrees. It's also nighttime, so I don't know how I'm going to be able to film it. I'll do my best, but this is a spur of the moment video. So I have cotton jeans, no long johns. I got wool socks and boots. And I got the furnace going again. And I got a t-shirt. So I'll go out and see how long I last before I wuss out and have to come back in. I'll take the camera out there with me and see if I can shoot some video. I'll have a flashlight or something. I'll do my best. But like I said, this is spur of the moment, and it's nighttime, and I have a snowstorm, so I gotta act. All right, I got a Ziploc bag over the camera. Hopefully, you guys can hear me. So it's the end of the snowstorm here. Okay, I don't feel the wind anymore. I feel a little bit warmer. Now I gotta stand out here like an idiot in the snowstorm. What? This is what you do when you're bored in the middle of the winter. Alright, it's been 1 minute and 40 seconds. Yes, now I'm bored. It's beautiful out. Okay. Well, this is going to be a boring video, I can tell. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. There's the wind gust. Now, I don't feel as warm. In fact, I feel almost shivery. right on the verge of shivering. I can feel it, but I'm not shivering. So I guess I'll stand out here like an idiot until I start to shiver. And I guess when I start to shiver, I'll walk around, get my body heat up. Do that. So I'm doing physical exercise, and then we'll see how long that goes. I hope you guys are appreciating this. So what I'm doing with my hands, I got the bottom of the trash bag crinkled up and close to my body to trap in some air. My arms, my upper arms that actually touch the plastic are cold, but if I get them away from the plastic, they're not cold. My feet aren't cold yet. My neck's cold. But I still feel like shivering, but I'm not actually shivering yet. So I guess this would be a good time to practice my bow drill skills. Yeah, this is going to be a boring video. I'm only going to do this once. I don't know what to say, people. I'm a quiet guy. I'm not really a storyteller. I ain't got stories to tell. Well, there was this one guy. He was dumb enough to go test out some theory on Facebook. Again, I'm cold. I feel like I have to shiver, but I'm not shivering. And again, 16 degrees out, 9 degrees with the wind chill. I'm trying to think of what to do with this, scientifically speaking. I can stand here until I actually get cold and start to shiver. But I don't know how long that's going to take. Or I could start walking around and see how long that takes for me to get cold. I'm trying to think, you know, if I was out in the woods like this, would I stand here and wait, or would I walk? But that depends on your situation. How far away am I from the cabin or from my truck? If I'm close enough to walk to my truck, I'll walk to my truck like this. But if I'm lost, then I guess I'd just have to sit here, stand here until I die. So, I don't have a lighter. I'm in my backyard doing this. I don't have my lighter or my knife. Oh, I got my knife. I got my blind horse knife. In my pocket. I don't have a lighter. I ain't got nothing. I don't even have my pride anymore. Yeah, I'm thinking about, you know, would I cut armholes to let my arms out, or would I just stay with my arms inside? I think I would stay with my arms inside. Again, I'm cold, but I'm not shivering. What time is it? It is 11 minutes. I hope you guys appreciate this. Alright, so I'm just going to forewarn you that this camera automatically shuts off at 25 minutes. It's either 25 or 20 minutes. Just so you guys know. I'm not fooling around. I'm not doing any camera tricks. I was kind of hoping I'd get shivers early, so I don't have to stay out here. Snowmobilers. All right. Should I stay or should I go? I don't know. How far away is my truck? How far away is the cabin? Or camp? Too bad this isn't live so I can ask you guys, should I start walking or should I stay here? Wish I had a beer or something. Okay, I'm barely shivering. Just barely. Oh, at least it's a beautiful night. So, I'll let you guys know what's going on. This is the supposedly historic northeastern blizzard that we're having here in New England. So far it's not so historic. It's light, fluffy snow with high winds. So it's hard to say how much snow we got. Well, maybe 1.5 feet, but over there it's 6 feet. So we got snow drifts and everything. So I don't know how much snow we got. No, just barely starting to shiver. Alright, so we got shivering. Just barely starts to shiver at 15 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 minutes, right? You got 15 minutes to start a fire, shelter, and boil water. Check dexterity. I can touch my pinky toes. My pinky. I got the umbos. God, this is stupid. I must be really bored. Again, I'm just barely shivering. It's not back-cracking shivering. You guys want to hear the most annoying sound in the world? Just barely shivering.
surprised my legs aren't as cold as they should be. That's one surprise. And my feet. .19 minutes, 20 seconds. Wind quit a little bit. I'm not shivering anymore. Maybe because the wind just died a little bit. I am chilly. I'm cold. But I'm not shivering. At 21 minutes. On my comment on Facebook, just guessing. If you just sat down or stand like I am now, I was guessing maybe an hour. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So I'm still alive in an hour. Then I'll go back inside. So I'm getting bored. And I should be studying for my main guides test. Not out here in the cold for you guys. 'Cause I love you guys so much. Again, 22 minutes and a half. I'm cold, but I'm not shivering. I want to shiver, but I don't have to yet. At least it's beautiful out. I don't feel any condensation on the inside yet. Well, yeah, a little bit. There's a little condensation on the inside. Yeah, on the back side there's condensation. So it's only a matter of time before I die. Uh, 24 minutes. It's almost 25 minutes. The camera's gonna shut off, probably. Mm-hmm. 24 minutes and 50 seconds. 51, 52. I think it's gonna shut off. Hey, 25 minutes. Maybe it doesn't shut off. I know it shuts off. I forget at what time. So, let's talk about this. It's been 25 minutes. If I was walking 25 minutes, you know, that's a good distance. That's maybe, I don't know. If you're walking down the street, 25 minutes is 400 meters or so. Through the woods, 25 minutes. Shit. 25 minutes on flat ground. You could travel almost a clip. 1 kilometer. On flat ground. Through the woods, I don't know. A foot high of snow. Still recording? Yep. 26 minutes, still recording. Alright, I'm going to 30 minutes. That's it, I'm going back inside. I'm cold, but I'm not shivering. I'm annoyed, but I'm not shivering. "27 minutes. Yeah, I can start to feel the condensation on the inside. It's not a lot, but you can feel it. My t-shirt isn't wet. My t-shirt isn't wet, but when I put it up against my body, I can feel a slight temperature change where it's a little bit cooler. So that's telling me that it's getting a little bit wet. Alright, what time is it? It's 20. Alright, I'm going to 30 minutes, and that's it. That's all I'm gonna give you guys. So 1 more minute.